Hey everyone, this is Angels Batra from UniVoyage and I'm back with another video, this time on the 2-month strategy to crack IPMAT. Now, many of you must have started preparing already, and for those who haven't, well, no time like the present. Don't worry, we've got your back. Now, in this video, I will mainly focus on the strategy for IPMAT Rohtak. But since most of the IPMAT examinations have similar topics, the schedule can be tuned to cater to the needs of other IPMAT examinations as well. So you can tune it based on what topics you've already done, what topics you need to focus more on, and if you're just starting right now, you can stick as it is to the schedule. The schedule would cover most of the important topics for the exam that can be completed within this 2-month time period, and it will give you enough time to revise your topics and to attempt a lot of marks. Now, the schedule that we have prepared provides time for at least 18 to 20 marks, which is a very good number. Now, why do we need to attempt these mocks? Can't we just study and then give the paper? Well, since it's an aptitude test, the mocks would help you a lot, especially knowing your level of preparations. You're not quite sure what kind of questions would be there. So mocks would help you to answer the paper better, and it will let you get an idea of how the paper would be there. Okay. Also, the mocks would help you improve your speed. The more mocks you give, the faster you'll be. And since it's a time-bound paper, time is of the essence. Also, the mocks help you increase your accuracy in answering the questions. Since the IPMAT examinations have a +4 -1 system of marking, accuracy is a must. It would not matter how many questions you attempt if you answer them wrong. So accuracy is a must. Also, giving mocks would help you develop strategies on how you would approach the paper, which would help you optimize the amount of time you're spending on each section or on each question. This would also give you more time to answer the paper and improve your chances of cracking the IPMAT exam. Also, we have curated the schedule in such a way that it would give you enough time for revision and attempting a lot of mocks. Now, why is revision important? It's because one, it would help you clear any backlog of topics that you might have. Also, it would help you revise more on the topics with which you're facing difficulties, or you feel that you're not comfortable with, or you're not confident enough in certain topics. But please do remember, if you feel even after doing the topics once, twice, maybe thrice, that you're still not confident enough in this topic, or if you're getting the answers wrong, you could leave the questions. Because since it's an aptitude test, you do not have to attempt every single question that appears in the exam. So if you feel that you might get a question wrong, it is a safer bet to leave the question instead of having it turn into a negative mark. Like I said, accuracy has to be there. So now I will not make you wait any further, and let's go to the schedule.
So here we can see the schedule starting from March 17th. And it goes up until May 15th, since we still haven't received the dates for all the IPMAT examinations. The IIM Rohtak paper, which is on May 21st. So the schedule will give us ample time to prepare for that examination, and the rest of the IPMAT examinations would be around the same date as the Rohtak examination. So we have created the schedule in such a way in which we get to practice one topic each for quantitative aptitude, for verbal ability, and for logical reasoning each day, which would prepare us enough to start attempting mocks and with an ample period of time left to analyze and improve upon. So starting, we see in quantitative aptitude, we have started off with arithmetic topics, which would prepare us for both the mocks and the data interpretation part of logical reasoning, which is very, very important when you consider the examination, since there is a sure shot probability of a data interpretation question. Now, in verbal ability, we start off with reading comprehension, since reading comprehensions will be there in every IPMAT examination. Now, reading comprehension can include any questions from synonym antonyms to sentence completion to inference judgment. So reading comprehension is very, very important, and the rest of the topics which would be covered in verbal ability would also provide a base for reading comprehension questions. As for logical reasoning, we have started off with the easier topics, starting with blood relations, then coding and decoding, input and output, cubes and dices and clocks, and we moving on from easier to more difficult topics. This would help you to prepare the logical reasoning with a good chance of attempting maximum number of questions. Now, in quantitative aptitude, as we said, we started with arithmetic and then we move on to algebra questions. Now, since the Rohtak paper would focus mostly on arithmetic or basic algebra, and it would usually not go on to higher math questions, which are like matrices and determinants or integration, differentiation. Higher math questions generally do not appear in IIM Rohtak examinations, but there is a chance that it might be there in Indore examination. Since IIM Indore only has quantitative aptitude and verbal ability, so the level of questions in the quantitative aptitude is a bit higher. And since IIM Rohtak has all the three sections, the level is a bit easier compared to the Indore paper. Now, as we can see, the first mock we would be attempting from April 9th. Now, in the beginning, we would have one mock every 3 days, with a 3-day gap between every mock. This would give you enough time to attempt the mock, analyze the mock, and simultaneously complete the topics that we have planned in the schedule. Now, as we move on, after mock 4, we reduce a day's gap, since we have completed almost all the topics till then. And after the 10th mock, we see one mock daily. So this schedule would allow you to attempt at least 18 to 20 mocks till the date of the examination, which is an ample amount of mocks to attempt. And it would give you enough practice and confidence to crack your IPMAT examination. Now, as we see here, is we stopped the schedule for verbal ability after a particular time. Since here we just revise and restudy the topics which you face difficulty in, since all of us have different aptitudes and different skill sets, different strengths and different weaknesses. So this period would be utilized to study the topics which you feel that you might face some difficulty in, or topics where you feel that you could practice more. And attempt one RC daily. Do not leave RCs. Okay, it's the more you attempt, the better you will get at it. Same case, after we finish preparing the topics for logical reasoning, we start with the revision. And so May would be full of revision only, where you just revise, attempt mocks, attempt topic tests, and do one RC daily. So this is the schedule. The link for the schedule would be given in the description box, so do not worry about it.
I hope that this schedule would help you prepare well for your exams, and do hit that like button and leave some feedbacks and queries in that comment section below, so we can connect more and we can help you get into the IIM of your choice. For more such content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do pay a visit to our Instagram page. Also, you can join our Telegram channel where you can connect with hundreds of other aspirants such as yourself. Good luck, guys. Prepare well, eat healthy, stay hydrated, and we hope to see you at IIM. Bye-bye.